Alright guys, I'm back. And this time I'm going to do a review on the Immortal wireless power supply RCA connection by Hildebrandt or Hildebrandt. Either one. However you say it. A Hildebrandt product designed in Canada and made in PCR. In other words, this wireless power supply was designed in Canada and made somewhere in Asia. PCR, I think it's in China, to be honest. So, okay. In the past with Hildebrandt, it was always known as a suitable company and everything, usually American-made stuff and blah blah blah. But I know over the years, Hildebrandt kind of shift when it comes to like making their own products. I mean, it's not like the golden early 2000s and blah 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 when Hildebrandt was all American. Which, if you go to the website Hildebrandt, they got a lot of high-end machines and stuff on there, and they still got a lot of American-made products. But I don't know. This only costs $25, so it's one of them cheap wireless power supplies. I just wanted to try one out, see what the big fuss was about these wireless battery packs. I have it fully charged, and it doesn't take long to charge either. It takes like 1 hour, and it's like fully charged. Let's see here, fellas. I don't know if you can see on the camera or not, but there is a 4.5 volts, a 6 volts, a 7.5, a 9 volts, and a 10.5 volts. And the on and off button as well. I'm going to be a little bit honest. When it comes to the volts, it's not very accurate. It's usually a 1 volt up if you really think about it. Like 4.5 really means 5.5. When it goes to 6 volts right there, it's more like 7 volts, and 7.5 is more like 8.5, 9, 10. You know what I mean. I always figured like the current's not really all that there when it comes to amps and blah blah blah. So, yep, let's hook this up. When you turn them on, it comes with these LED lights, let you know how charged it is and blah blah blah. I'll turn that on again. It's pretty charged. Hold down the button, and it always starts at 7.5 as its default voltage. But in reality, like I said, it's really 8.5. It's not 7.5. I do not care what that says. I mean, you take this, compare it to the Atom or any other power supply, you can tell these things are a little off. They are lying. But anyways, let's hook this up. I've actually used this wireless power supply with this little guy before. So tiny. You know what, guys? Hold on. I'm just going to show you something just for fun. How little this pin, this battery pack. The battery pack is almost as big as the pin. That's hilarious. These are lightweight. So, well, let's hook it up. Blah, blah, blah. And turn it on. It is on 7.5 right now. Want to go up more, double click it. Go up more, double click it. Go down, double click it. It's always a double click. You want it turned back on, you hold the button down. Want to turn it off, hold the button down. Let's talk about the pros about these things. One of the pros is wireless freedom. I mean, look, no wires, yay. You can even rest your hand on it, blah blah blah. But let's talk about the disadvantages of these little wireless battery packs. And just for this brand, just the Immortal, the Hildebrandt brand, that's all. I'm going to hook up to a different machine right now, and I'm going to let you listen to it that way. As you can see, the current isn't really smooth. It's more like instead of like it should be. That is one con I do not like about this power supply. And I mean, you can still use it, but it's going to be a little rough on your machines. I mean, I prefer a real smooth current, and well, I do not like the part, which this is a very quiet machine, so I don't know if you heard it. So I'm going to hook up to a little louder machine. I'm going to hook this up to one of the machines I've never used, and it's one of them more of a cheaply made machine. I traded off one of my cheaper machines for this machine I'm about to show you. I'm sorry, got my tongue twisted and everything. That happens sometimes on camera. Sorry. But hold on, load this right here. Okay, guys. Here's one of my cheap end machines, my low end machines. I had an Optimus pen, and I did not like it, and I had it for a backup machine, and I traded it off for this Optimus direct drive, which is really just a knockoff of a Injecta, and sort of a Bishop Phantom, but more of an Injecta knockoff. But anyways, this is a very loud machine, very extremely hard-hitting machine too. Like, it's only good for lining only. Don't ever use it. Don't ever go past 5 volts or you'll destroy somebody. And yeah, it's one of them rough machines. And yes, the motor is really loud. And with this wireless battery pack, where it's not a smooth current at all, you'll see what I'm talking about. That was on 7.5 volts, the default setting on this wireless battery pack. And as you can tell, it's going, and it's not going, and I'll show you on that, guys. With the RCA, and the regular power supply, you can see it's a smooth current. So that is definitely a con when it comes to the Immortal wireless battery supply. I mean, for 25 bucks, it's pretty good. I mean, this thing can last up to 6 hours when fully charged, and it only takes 1 hour to charge. That's one thing I do like about it. Also like wrapping it in a barrier wrap. Very easy. You put it on the pin, put a cord sleeve over it, goes right over. And you got that wireless freedom, which is another pro to this wireless battery pack. But the only thing I don't like is the voltage is always 1 voltage off, and it doesn't have a smooth current. There are way better battery packs than the Immortal by Hildebrand, which I bought this just to fool around with, and plus Hildebrand is usually a very good company. I mean, usually they have very solid products, and I was kind of disappointed with this product with them. I mean, there's more pros than cons to it, but yeah. Oh yeah, and to charge it, you can use almost any cell phone charger, so yeah. Hildebrand must have been a huge good company back in the day, but I mean, they still sell high-end, legit companies and junk, but when it comes to their very own creations, they're starting to go downhill pretty bad. So maybe I just got a bad one of the group, or default. I mean, I don't know. I like to pretend that I got a bad one of the group. I mean, I talk to them and stuff, and they can't refund me or give me another one, which I didn't really like that of them, because in the past they were good to me, but now they're like, probably tired of me or something. And where it was designed in Canada, I expected better than this too. But anyways, just if you're curious, you can get this little guy on Amazon or the Hildebrand website. See for yourself. I think I just got a bad one, that's all. But yeah, go check it out, guys, if you want to. Want to like and subscribe to my channel? Go ahead. Thought this video was boring you, a waste of time? Well, there's other people you can watch. So, till next time.